Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the new Onyx Studio 6 by Harman Kardon. Now, I've been a fan of the Harman Kardon speakers, not only because of the quality, but because of the audio and the way it sounds. It's probably one of the best speakers that I've owned myself. I own one of the older Auras that I still use daily. But let's go ahead and open this box up to see what comes with this bad boy. Alright, so this is the speaker. It's a little heavy, which is expected. These speakers typically are on the heavier side due to the amount of quality that they pack into them. Now this handle does have a bit of a metallic feel. As you can see, the buttons are built into the speaker itself. This finish here I really like. On the back here, let's see what we got. We have the power adapter slot, the aux, and the service. What service? Let's see. Put this down. Okay, so I'm assuming this is for software or to plug it up to your computer, but that's where you plug in the power cable. Now you have all of the buttons built into the front, as I mentioned. So let's go ahead and see what else comes with this speaker. Let me open this box up for you guys. Don't mind me. Here we go. So here we have the power adapter. This is a big block. This is the part that goes into the back of the speaker, and it looks like it might need a second part. Oh yeah, so it looks like it's a two-part adapter in order to plug this speaker in. Let me see if the other part is in here. There we go. So this part would connect to that block that you see there, which would then go into the wall. A lot of technology that uses more power do have this style. One example is the original Xbox. You'll notice it does have that style with the block and that secondary connection in order to go into the wall. But let's continue with this unboxing here. So we have the books. Anything you buy in technology usually comes with the books that either show you how to set it up, warranty information, and so forth. It's nothing out of the ordinary. Let me see if anything else comes with the speaker here. So that's it. That's pretty straightforward. So you have the speaker, the power adapter. Now this speaker does have a battery. So go ahead guys, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.